Yo everyone, and in this video we are going to be repairing and bringing back to light this ruined Traxxas UDR. Let me show you what it is and let's start the rebuild. So here we have the Traxxas UDR Unlimited Desert Racer. Now this does have a few bits missing off of here. We have no electronics at all for this. We have bits missing, we got screws missing, we got shocks hanging off, we're missing the front bumper, we got a few little anodized pieces on here, we've got upgraded rear anti-roll bar, upgraded front anti-roll bar. On the underside, generally really good condition. We have these, I don't know if they would call them upgrades, but these are some poopy rear trailing arm links on here. Just look at the bad quality of them. It's even got that wedged in there, look. And they are utter garbage, so they're going to be coming off and thrown in the bin. We did also get a few extras with this when we bought it. So we also got this Vitavon rear axle, we did get the interior and the heads, and that is about it. Rightio then everyone, we will get this bits stripped off of here, what I don't want, and we're going to get it overhauled, going to get it built back to its original perfect condition. Look at the state of these things, look, they're going straight in the bin. Okie dokie then, so what we're going to do, I've got all the shocks off, we're going to do all the shocks, reservice all of them now. What I've also going to do is print this nice little stand as well. So 3D printed for the UDR, nice little emblem in there. And this is good because obviously we can stick the shocks in there. So I've just took a bit of oil out the shock and it's absolutely super clean. So that's all the shocks complete. They are all serviced, new oil in there, 60 weight oil. Rear arms, I have these replacements. These are the RPM ones with the RPM skid plates. So we're also going to get them fitted as well. So I've took the poopy ones off of there and I've thrown them in a bin and we're going to fit all of this back to the car. And the other side, there we go. So we've got all the rear arm fitted trailing arms. They're all done. Next, we're going to get the Vitavon rear axle fitted. But first, I'm going to give this a quick clean up, grease up inside, and then we can get her back on. Got it all cleaned up. So what I've done with that diff as well, we quickly replaced the bearings inside. I've got these year racing bearings here, kit for the UDR. This will make you laugh. It says full kit for the UDR. They do not come with the main bearings you need inside there. So I'm going to have to get some more of those. One of them did need replacing, so I've had to put the same one back in again. Got it all fitted in there, looking lovely. The only thing I am struggling with at the moment is the screws for the sway bars. I don't have those. I'm waiting for a kit to turn up with a full stainless steel screw set or hardware set. Next thing we need to do is, I noticed these are GPM. I didn't realise. Drop links, these are all RPM in front of me, so they're the biggest sway bars or anti-roll bars, so that's quite nice. So I need to install the drop links. As we've got these off, the hubs, we're going to replace the bearings in the hubs as we go around, and we're going to fit these aluminium discs as well. So we've got 4 of those, stick them on, replace all the bearings, make it like brand new again. So we found the issue. I don't know, you probably won't be able to see in there. You get it in the light. There are pins in there snapped off in that hex, so we can't use that set. Luckily, we do have another set here, red ones, and these are all perfect. So these are getting them on there. There we go, all fitted. So we've got the discs all done on there. We've got the nuts on as well. Next thing we need to do, so that is mainly the whole chassis completed now, suspension, drivetrain, all in. Next thing we can start installing the electronics. So servo wise, I have this left over from my X-Max. This is a Savox servo, coreless, brushless, 7.4 volt, 46 kilo servo. Very high torque, so we're gonna get that installed in there. So fitting the servo, I found a slight issue in there. You can see down there, so this servo is slightly longer than the standard one. It's about, I don't know, 5 to 8 mil longer. So the issue we have down there, we can't fit it because then we can't get the cover back on. So for now, so all the only thing I have is this. So this is a 20 kilo HV servo. So we're going to install that now, and I will order an AGF one for this, a 40 kilo AGF. Next thing we need to get installed is the ESC. On this, we're going to run this new. So this is a Max 8 G2 S. So this has all the Bluetooth on it, so you don't need the programming box anymore. You can do it all from the app on the phone. It comes with these XT90s. Thing is, I do not use XT90s, so I'm going to need to change these over to EC5s. We also have this off 3D printed. So this is the mount for the UDR that will hold the EC5s in place. Right, that's all that complete then. Got me EC5s on there, exactly the way the other ones came out, so I'm not going to blow it up. What I do like about this one, it comes with this plate as well, and believe it or not, this will fit on the actual perfect mounting spots of the UDR's original Traxxas ESC. I wish you all the best I can, and there we go, ESC is installed in there. I love it. That plate fits absolutely perfect. So we're going to need to get this installed on here. This is the mount for the EC5s. So if we look in there now, lovely jubbly. So receiver wise, I've got this brand new TQI one here, the Traxxas one. I'll be using that for now, and then at some point I'll switch it over to the Noble. Okay, it turns out that I can't use this receiver. Being the Traxxas one, it is only rated up to 6 volts, so I'm going to be running this at 8.4. I'm going to fit one of these V2.1 radio link receivers and run it on the RG8X and hope for a runaway. So receiver all fitted in there, ready to go. Also, I have printed out these window nets as well. So these are TPU 3D printed, nice and squidgy, like real nets, and they're going to sit in there for the windows. There we go, we've got them fitted. Look, that looks absolutely wicked in my own opinion. I think the easiest thing to do though with these, just a quick one, so they go in these holes. There is holes already there on the inside, but I think they need drilling out. Okay, so we've got the nets on. Next bit we need to do, so I'm still waiting for the motor, wheels and tyres, because I am going to spray the wheels separately, and to go with this body. So we've got this body, this is the Proline F150 heatwave body for the UDR. Weird thing is, they haven't bothered doing the holes in this one for the body. Very strange. What you'd expect for a nice cheap body, eh? But I am going to get that, a fix of the car. It's the easiest way to do the body for me, to apply the decals. Guys, I think this is one of the worst Proline bodies I've ever seen for the money. It's hard, look, half of it's not cut, it's rough, horrible, all the way with the bits, look. Not being cut properly. I mean, charging a premium for these body shells. The quality control is absolutely disgusting. We've got the new motor. This is the new 4278 brushless censored motor G2S to pair it up with the ESC. Rightio, we've got the ESC, that is all installed, sensor lead, everything. So now it's time to plug the batteries in and see if it don't blow up. Find out the right way. Rate it first. So just had another bit turn up, a bit of on, upper suspension links. So we're going to get those fitted on there also. There we go. Got them all fitted. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think to these. I think they're going to annoy me. I don't know, I haven't used it yet obviously, but the rattling, yeah, I'm not too sure about. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you run these and what you think of them. I might switch back to the originals. I don't know if I like the rattling. Right then, for wheels and tyres, I'm not going to go standard, as I normally don't. So we've got separate wheels and separate Traxxas tyres. What I'm going to do with these, get them out. I'm going to airbrush the centres gold and the bead locks as well. So I'm going to get that done now and get back to you when I've airbrushed all of that. Couple bits I want to fit. Got the RPM front skid plate and I've got new front bumper as well. So there we go, front RPM skid plate and bumper installed. So most of it is complete now. Next thing we need to do is install the body. So that is all stickered up, ready to go on. There we go, look at that, looks absolutely awesome. So that is most of it done now. We have the shell on, but we're waiting for the wheels, but I am still in the process of airbrushing them now. Need to stick the spare wheels on, and we're not going to go with stock ones, we're going to go with paddles. There we are, Traxxas paddle tyres. Get them fitted on there. that is the tyres fitted to the back. So all that remains is to stick the main wheels on and we are complete. Yeah, there we go. Got the wheels all done and I think they look absolutely awesome. Nicely airbrushed, BBS gold. And that is a truck 99% finished. Yeah, so there we go guys, look at that. We got it all finished. And I think she looks absolutely epic. Still waiting for the stainless steel bulkhead. I've got some flags coming for it and some rear mud flaps. They're still not here yet, but the truck is 99% complete. I think it's come out absolutely awesome. From what it was to what it is now. Absolutely brilliant. So it is ready to go. Next video we'll be taking it out, see what it can do. Let me know what you think. Comments in the description what you think it looks like. And if you like this sort of video, I'll do a few more rebuilds. I've got a few more coming up on the channel as well. But this car, absolutely fantastic. It looks epic. So, yeah, great. So thanks for the support of the channel. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one, everyone. I hope you like this video and peace.